Apple has finally confirmed the much-anticipated iPhone 16 event after months of speculation. The event, set for September 9th, comes with the tagline, "It's Glow Time," which is earlier than the September 10th date many expected. Although we've already discussed in my recent video why Apple might change the event date, the timing of the iPhone 16 event, scheduled for September 9th, is no coincidence. With the US presidential debate expected to take place soon, though the exact date remains unclear, it seems Apple has strategically planned their event to ensure it doesn't get overshadowed by the political spotlight. Big companies like Apple are often well aware of upcoming events and likely want to capture the audience's full attention before the debate dominates the news cycle. This careful timing ensures that the iPhone 16 launch remains a significant and undistracted focus for tech enthusiasts and the media alike. The teaser strongly hints that Apple Intelligence will be a major focus of the event. While this new technology will certainly be a highlight, as recent leaks have suggested, there are plenty of other exciting updates to look forward to. Apple is set to introduce 4 models: iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max. Earlier in the year, there were rumors of significant design changes for the Pro models, but it appears that the overall look will remain similar to previous generations. However, there will be a new desert titanium color option, and the device will boast a record-breaking thin design. The front of the phone will feature an improved dynamic island. Recent reports have shed light on new camera features for the iPhone 16 series. The iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max will come equipped with a significantly enhanced ultra-wide-angle lens, now at 48 megapixels.
It's like having a huge telephoto lens, but it's just in there.
Unlike other brands that use high megapixel sensors, Apple is expected to allow users to capture 24 megapixel photos by default, similar to the main sensor's settings. This could give Apple a competitive edge in the smartphone market. Additionally, these Pro models will support 3K video recording at 120 frames per second with Dolby Vision. Apple is also set to introduce a new image format called JPEG XL, which promises to deliver high-quality images. A new pressure-sensitive capture button will be featured across all iPhone 16 models. This button will allow users not only to take photos and videos, but also to half-press it for functions like locking exposure or focus when shooting manually. This feature will be available to third-party apps and developers, so it's likely to be quickly integrated into social media platforms. Internally, the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus will be powered by the Apple A18 chip, while the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max will feature the A18 Pro Bionic chip. Built on the latest N3E 3nm node, we could see some improvements in efficiency and performance. Thanks to these chips, all models will support Apple Intelligence features, which will debut with iOS 18 in 2025. The first wave of these features will roll out in October, with more updates expected throughout the following year. Aside from the iPhone 16 Plus, all models in the iPhone 16 lineup will receive a substantial battery upgrade. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, in particular, will feature the largest battery ever in an iPhone, potentially making it the best-performing phone in terms of battery life, especially when combined with the efficiency of the second-generation 3nm Apple A18 Pro chip. So, mark your calendars for September 9th, when Apple will officially unveil the iPhone 16 series. What are your thoughts on these upcoming features? Are you excited about the launch? Let us know in the comments below, and like, share, and subscribe for early updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.